Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dark Post Profits. This is going to be a powerful case study on how I recruited 38 frontline for an MLM offer in 24 hours with Dark Post. So buckle your seatbelt, get ready, because this is going to be a lot of fun. My name is Chris Record. I've been involved with network marketing on and off since around 1998. And the bottom line is I love this industry, but it also has its downsides. For instance, it can sometimes be difficult to help the newest reps succeed when it comes to recruiting and selling, no matter how bad that you might want it for them. In fact, maybe some of you can relate if you have teams or you have downline. And that's the passion behind my training today, because I truly believe that I have found a way that even the newest stay-at-home mom can succeed, that the newest reps can succeed, that the newest person can finally have a chance to break through. And I have done my absolute best to put together a detailed step-by-step training for you, because I truly want to see you have more success in your business. Bottom line is, I want to help you recruit more reps. I want you to have a virtually unlimited source of leads. And that's exactly what we're going to cover today. Today, I'm going to share with you a powerful breakthrough that I've recently had. Okay, I stumbled across a unique way to recruit reps for any MLM company, any home-based business, by placing bridge offers directly in the Facebook newsfeed. And I'll come back to that in just a minute. Bridge offers. Now, these bridge offers target very unique audiences on Facebook, not what you would think you're going to target, with little to zero competition. And they can result in an extremely low cost per website click, meaning that you can pay just pennies per visitor to go to your lead capture pages and your sales pages. Literally as little as pennies per visitor. So recently, I ran a test campaign because I wanted to see how well this would work. My goal was to see if I could recruit 10 new frontline day. Well, I ended up recruiting 38 new frontline inside of 24 hours. And what did it cost me? $36 per new distributor. That's it. $36 per new distributor. I literally code that allowed me to sign up new reps for as little as $36 each. But that's just the beginning. See, do you know what LTV is? Have you ever heard of LTV? Well, intro product. That's their starting point. Low-priced product when you're trying to sell stuff in the Facebook newsfeed. So after customers buy that product, the company then has additional upsells ranging from $500 to $3,500. And it doesn't matter if they buy on the spot, they can buy months later, they could even buy a year later, and I'll still get credit. So here's what the funnel looks like. They've got 5 main core products. The first one's $25 a month. The second one's $100 a month. And then they have a $500, a $1,000, and a $3,500 product. So I've been promoting for this company part-time for about 20 months. So based on those numbers, those are real numbers, let's calculate my exact LTV. So let's go back to those 5 products. On the first product, in about 20 months, I've made $73,450. On the second product, I've made $120,300. On the third product, $52,500. On the fourth product, $87,883. And on the fifth product, $116,000. That's a total of $450,133 in a little less than 2 years. Now, let's divide that by my total frontline signups that I had in that company, which is 544. So I've enrolled 544 people directly frontline, right? So I've signed up 544 frontline at the $25 a month product level and have earned over $450,000 as a result. Okay? So how do I calculate my LTV? I take 450,000 and I divide it by 544 frontline. That gives me a lifetime value of $827 per person. So my LTV, my long-term value or lifetime value, is $827 for every single person I sign up. So even if I sign them up at the $25 level, On average, they end up being worth $827 to me over time. And I cracked a code to recruit those new reps for as little as $36 each, and possibly less over time because I hope to get better and better at this with more experimenting, more trial, and more error. So, what does that mean in terms of projected profits in this case study? Well, if you take that $827 LTV, and you subtract the $36 that I'm spending to acquire those, my actual profit is $791 profit per customer or rep that I sign up. $791 in profit. How crazy is that, right? So let's take a look at this now. $791 in profit per customer or rep, and I signed up 38 new frontline in a single day in 24 hours. So what was that one day worth to me? $30,000 in profit after expenses in 24 hours. Now, of course, I don't get that entire $30,000 up front. It gets paid to me over time as they upgrade. And that's just an average hypothetical assumption based on the numbers that I have in my history. But think about it. $30,000 in profit in 24 hours by cracking this code. Now, as a disclaimer, this doesn't mean that you will experience the same results. Okay, I'm not saying that. In fact, I can't guarantee any results at all. However, it's entirely possible that you end up getting better results than me. You might end up getting 5 or 10 times better results than me. I don't even know. I mean, keep in mind, these results are from my very first try at this. This is my first stab at this, okay? I had never tried to recruit new reps in the Facebook newsfeed at all. So what was it that sparked this idea? Well, one day I was chilling with my kids at the park, just hanging out on the swings, and I came up with an idea to try bridge offers for MLM. Okay? And I'm going to come back to bridge offers, but it just was a unique idea that came to my mind. Meaning, instead of advertising to the normal, work from home opportunity seeker crowd, which happens to be heavily saturated and more expensive for ads, I decided to use the same strategy that people are using to sell t-shirts right now, where people are selling t-shirts in the Facebook newsfeed. I decided to use that same exact strategy to try to sell opportunity. That strategy is called bridge marketing. Bridge marketing. For example, instead of designing and selling a custom t-shirt to a sports team fan, such as, let's say, fans of the 49ers, I come up with like a cool fan shirt and I try to sell it to fans of the 49ers. Instead of doing something like that, could I sell that same 49er fan on a business opportunity? Could I do the same thing with shirts, but do it with a business opportunity? So it was kind of a long shot idea, but it was worth trying. And that's how this idea was born. And now I can target virtually unlimited audiences on Facebook. I mean, it's just as far as my creativity leads me. And I can lead them to bridge pages that sell any opportunity that I want. Seriously, I believe this will be the #1 hottest recruiting technique for you in 2014 because you can chill at home in your pajamas and do this, right? You could do this while watching your kids. You could do this in part-time. You don't have to answer the phone. You don't have to go to meetings. You can literally recruit while sitting in front of your computer by simply placing tiny little ads that show up in the Facebook newsfeed directly to any audience that you want to target with little to no competition at all. It's pretty exciting, right? So here's what I did. I took dozens of screenshots of all my dark post ads that I used in this case study, as well as the exact audiences that I targeted, and I put together a mini boot camp to show you my exact methods. I've got over 700 slides in my PowerPoint presentation that I put together for you, and I broke it down into 10 videos. Very easy to understand, just like this one. The videos range from 5 minutes to 20 minutes each. They've got tons of values, and you get my exact dark post ads. In fact, look at this. You get my exact ads, and I got them blurred out here because when you get inside the members area, you're going to be able to actually copy all the exact ads. Here's other ones, and here I am. I'm targeting TV shows. I'm targeting sports team. I'm targeting all these different audiences, and these people are joining my business opportunity. You get the exact interests and audiences that I targeted. So I go break down the exact keywords. And guess what? I didn't even use custom audiences. I just used built-in interests from Facebook. You get my exact ad spending reports because I want to show you how I got such a low cost per website click. In fact, look at this. It's a little bit blurred out, but $476.93 got me 5,044 clicks at 9 cents per click. And that was going to a lead capture page and then a sales page for my opportunity. How would you like to learn how to get 9-cent clicks? I mean, look at these stats here. $476.93 ad spend, 5,044 website clicks, and 9 cents per click on average. and so much more. Because in this course, I'm going to break down my bridge marketing strategy that you can use for any business. I'm going to give you examples for different home-based business niches. I mean, everything, stuff like energy drinks and stuff like, health and fitness and health and wellness and weight loss. I'm going to go through examples for you, and I'm going to break down several tips on how to increase your return on investment and make your ads more profitable, as well as tips on how to scale out your ads using something called geo-targeting, where you target by location. And geo-targeting can also be used to fill up hotel room presentations in your local city with tons of prospects and guests, right? How would you like to dominate your local market by having 20, 30 guests show up to your weekly or your monthly hotel meetings? And that's just the beginning. You can get access to this 10 video mini bootcamp for free as a bonus in Dark Post Profits. Now, Dark Post Profits is my 40+ video course where I teach everything that I know about running effective Facebook advertising. Dark Post Profits has been very, very popular. You may have heard of it. It's new, it's fresh, it's updated. All the content is original, and we use all of Facebook's latest advertising developments. And right now, that course is discounted to only $100. Literally, it's only $100. It's going to be shooting up to $997, and that's going to be the price that it stays at. But right now, it's only $100. So when you buy the course right now, you get instant access to all of these modules. You can immediately start your training and be placing ads by tonight. And when you purchase Dark Post Profits, you also get access to our private mastermind group where you can ask questions, you can get feedback, you can post your ad copy or learn from others when they post theirs, and so much more. You get lifetime access to that mastermind group. Seriously, all that's just $100. So, you know what? Instead of hyping you up, because I'm a little bit excited right now, right? Let me just take a minute and show you exactly what you're going to get when you buy right now. Let me just go ahead and demo our members area and show you the amount of amazing value that's there. All right, so here we are in the Dark Post Profits members area, and there's a ton of videos in here. I'm going to go ahead and start with the bonuses section that you're going to get access to right here. So where you want to start is this. As soon as you purchase, you want to come in here and you want to watch this video first. How to recruit 38 frontline in 24 hours using Dark Post ads. I give the full overview, and this is the foundation for the entire course. Then we get into all the steps. Step 1, choose your opportunity. Now, you might already have one, and that's fine that you're going to run with. If not, I'll tell you what kind of opportunities to look for out there. I'm not recruiting you into anything. I'm just showing you what kind of opportunities work and which ones don't and why. There's some that work a lot better in the newsfeed. Now, if you already have an opportunity you want to promote, that's awesome. I'll show you what kind of resources you want to look for within your company to be able to help give you an advantage here with this strategy. Then we go down here to determine your LTV. And this is your lifetime value. And I'm actually going to give you some strategies on determining your own LTV. So if you're brand new, just getting started, you probably don't have an LTV. So I'll give you some ideas on how to be able to get one. And if you're a little bit better and you're a seasoned vet and you've been in the game for a while, we'll walk through what kind of LTV you're looking for, and we'll get conservative here. Well, I'll show you how to get really conservative because I want you to make money, not lose money. Then step 3, brainstorm a bridge campaign. This one's awesome. You're going to get a huge amount of value out of this. I'm going to walk through several examples of just getting your mind going with creativity on how to be able to take pretty much any keyword or any niche or any industry on Facebook and how to create bridge pages or bridge offers for your network marketing opportunity. Step number 4, build your sales funnel. Your company might have one already built for you. If so, that's a huge advantage. If not, I'll show you how to build it. And don't worry, there's third-party software out there that makes this very, very easy these days. So this is actually a lot easier than you think. Step number 5, write your follow-up emails. I'll show you how to have an autoresponder go out. So anybody that doesn't join you right away, you'll be able to drip on them with emails. And I'm actually going to show you a concept called bridge emails, which you're probably not doing, which are highly effective. Step 6, research your target market. So once you have an idea of where you want to go after, I'll show you how to come up with the right audiences to target. And this part's important because if you're targeting the wrong audiences, it's not going to work as effectively. I'll show you how to target the right people. Step 7, design your ad campaigns. I'll show you some example ad campaigns that I designed. I'll give you some resources that I put together as to how to design amazing ad campaigns and go from there. Step 8, launch your Dark Post ads. This is where we actually launch them out to the public. Now they're going to start showing up in the newsfeed, and this is an important step. And I'll kind of show you what I do when I launch my ads. Step 9, manage your Dark Post ads. Because in network marketing, there's going to be some people that hate on it, unfortunately, when they see it in the Facebook newsfeed. Maybe they leave dumb comments or whatever. I'll show you how to go in there and manage that, stay on top of that, and how to keep it all organized. And then step 10, track your acquisition costs, right? And right here, this is the most important step. We're going to talk about my story. We're going to talk about my return on investment. We're going to talk about, what I would do differently and whatnot. This right here is all the numbers, all the math. I'm going to go in and show you my actual analytics and my ad reports and bring it all together and show you why this is a profitable campaign to run. So that's what you're going to get access to right now when you purchase for $100. But on top of that, you're also going to get access to this. 3 hours of bonus training, 3 hours right here, where we also talk a lot about network marketing. We talk about real estate marketing. We talk about affiliate marketing. We talk about selling t-shirts. I go into just a ton of stuff in this. So this is available instantly, 3 hours of just high quality content. So that's just the bonuses. That's just the bonuses. Now for $100, you get access to the entire course. You get access to literally 35 modules, how to get started, dark post basics, walking you through dark posts, Facebook advertising guidelines, how to create dark posts. I actually show you tutorials on how to create your actual first dark post, and then how to create dark posts in Power Editor, because this is another way to create it that gives you more flexibility. Design tips. You're going to love this module right here, where I talk about how to design amazing graphics that pop off the newsfeed very easily. Right here, types of Facebook ads. I walk you through all the ads, and then we go through each one. Clicks to website ads, right? So it's like a mini bootcamp on every type of ad. Website conversion ads, page post engagement ads, boosted posts, Facebook offer ads, page like ads. If you're building a fan page, you want to get a lot of likes. Sponsored stories and what those are. Right side ads that show up on the right side. Mobile ads versus desktop ads and when to place one or the other. And then we talk about Ads Manager versus Power Editor, because there's 2 ways to place ads. So I walk through each one and what the benefits and the pros and cons are. And then we talk about researching posts, how to go find other dark posts and how to research them, how to keep all those posts organized. I have a little system here that's pretty cool, how to manage all your posts. And then we go into tracking, how to study the numbers and track your posts. When the posts are going well, I have a module that teaches you how to scale them up and scale them out. And when they're not going well, I have a module that teaches you how to cut your losses, how to know when to just cut it and call it quits on a certain ad. And then we talk about website traffic, how to drive traffic to any website or any blog you want. And then lead generation, how to drive traffic to lead capture pages and how to generate leads. Right here, we go into a module on selling t-shirts. And I've actually got another bootcamp I'm going to be loading up about selling t-shirts soon. So how to sell t-shirts in the Facebook newsfeed. And then we go into affiliate products, how to sell any affiliate product that you want in the Facebook newsfeed. And then we have a little module here on BizOp recruiting, which is just another bonus module for you on how to be able to recruit for any business opportunity. And then real estate marketing, for those of you that might be in real estate or know people in real estate, cashing in on CPA offers. That's an interview that I did with Hurricane Arthur Tubman, where he teaches about CPA offers and how they could be lucrative. And then creating ad reports. This is the ad reporting section, how to keep it all managed and detailed. Conversion pixel tracking. This is how to add conversion pixels to your pages, which means it tracks if people buy products or not. And this tells you which ads are effective. And then custom audiences. I walk through, you don't have to use custom audiences, but I walk through how to be able to set those up and what they are and how to use them and how to load them up. Hybrid audiences, which I show how to use Facebook's interests along with custom audiences combined. And then retargeting ads. And this is super powerful. Every visitor that visits one of your websites, you can retarget them and send ads to them back in the Facebook newsfeed. So those are 35 modules plus all this bonus stuff that I already walked through. You get access to all of this, and you get access to our private mastermind group, lifetime membership, all for just $100. So that's an amazing value that I put together. All you got to do is take massive action and join today before the price shoots up to $997. All right. Well, I appreciate you taking the time to watch our video today. Look, I encourage you to get started. Click the buy button below. Make a decision to get it while it's discounted to only $100 before it shoots up to $997. I look forward to seeing you in the members area. And more importantly, I look forward to hearing your testimonial of how you were able to recruit more reps on Facebook using these strategies. As you already know, there are no guarantees of success. Some dark posts work great, while others might fail. There is always a risk of losing money when you invest into advertising for your business. I cannot guarantee your success. All I can do is teach you what I know and what has worked for me. It's up to you to take massive action with this information and create the abundance in your life that you deserve. The bottom line is, I believe in you. And all I can do is transfer this information to you and hope you take massive action and take advantage of that. So with that being said, Chris Record over and out. I'll see you in the members area.